are you all doing today? Alright, I believe you should remember this strategy. This is my 95% 2-in-1 boom and crash. Okay, alright, yeah. Next, I told you I'm gonna upload this setup for this strategy. Okay, this is the setup for this strategy. Okay, in case you've not watched the previous video I said this is the 2-in-1 boom and crash. Okay, this is how the strategy works for those that still need more enlightenment regarding this strategy. You know, when I say whenever this moving averages is below 20 level, crossing over, that is the first condition. Then you check your main chart, you notice there's a crossing over. This is the crossing over here. Then you're gonna catch this whole spikes. Okay, let's say this is your entry. You make an entry order here, then you can exit the trade whenever you notice there is a crossing over. When this red line crossing below the blue line, then you're gonna take profit. This is where your take profit gonna be. Okay, and this whole spike is gonna be your this strategy works for the 5-minute time frame and the 1-minute time frame perfectly. Okay, so let's quickly get a second up. Okay, so and I want guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Comment on the comment section for the reviews on the strategy. Okay, I say this is 2-in-1. So let's say you take a buy signal somewhere here. This is your buy signal. Then you notice there's a crossing over here. Then you wait not until this moving average gets to this level. Okay, and there's a crossing over. This is not the profit entry. I'm going to take this trade. Okay. So okay, here we go. Alright, quickly get on the setup for this strategy. This is the 5-minute time frame. This is boom. Let's check crash. Now I said this work will look perfectly for boom and crash. You can see this is a crossing over here. This is a crossing over here. This is another crossing over here. Then you place your sell entry here all the way to this place. Then you can take your profit whenever you see there's a crossing over. This is a crossing over here. This is a crossing over somewhere here. Okay, this is the current market. I guess this is current market. Then you can see this is a crossing over. Then you can exit your trade. Then if you know how to use price action, you can stay hold, not until. Okay, you can even exit. You can see this good line has gotten to the 80 level below here. Then you can exit your trade. Then you wait not until this blue and black line get to this 20 level and there's a crossing over below the 20 level. Then you search for another crossing over on the main chart. Then you take another buy signal. That is for the current market. That's why I call this 2-in-1 95%. So I'm simply strategy I'm gonna upload after this is the step index strategy. I call that 99% of 99% 2-in-1 step index killer. That is what I call that. I don't know. Alright, subscribe to this YouTube channel and stay tuned to this channel. Alright, I'm gonna update you guys on that. Alright, so let's quickly go to the setup. Okay, let me delete. I need to delete some indicator here. Let me delete the whole indicator on my main chart so that you can see how this works perfectly. Let me delete these two indicators. Okay, now you can see I have the blank chart now. Alright, for this setup, I'm going to click on your indicator. I'm sorry, I'm click on your indicator. Your price, search for moving average. We have moving average here. You can see this is your moving average here. Then you click on it. Alright, the first moving average you're gonna be adding it is the blue moving average. The period is 48. The shift is 0. I believe you can see this. The period is 48. If this period is on, you can change this period, because I know some people, especially for the beginners, they don't know how to do this. You can change this period. You can see if you have 100 period here, you can change it. I said the period is 48, then shift is 0. If you add something, another thing here, you have to change it to 0. Then the method is exponential. You can see this is the method. This is exponential. We have different method here. We have the simple exponential, smoothed, linear weight. Okay, so we are using the exponential for this, and the apply is close. We have different options. We have the close, open, high, low, medium price. We have the typical price and the weighted close. So we are using the close. Apply to close, and the star is 2 pixel. The star is 2 pixel, and the color should be blue. The color should be blue. Then click on done. Then this is your appear on the main chart. Then the second moving average for this make sure you don't do any mistake when adding the moving average, okay? Because any single mistake when using a strategy, or any single mistake on a setup, it can result in loss, okay? So I don't want you to do any mistake. So the second moving average, you click on moving average again here, click on it. Then you add the 20 moving average. The 20 moving average, the method is exponential. Then apply to close as well. The color is red. Then you click on done. I believe you can see this. The red moving average has been applied on my main chart. So now let's work on the window indicator. Alright, so you still click on this frequency, this F sign here. You click on it, then redirect it to this place. Then click on relative strength index. Now we are using the stochastic oscillator. You can see this is where the stochastic oscillator is. To swipe on that to oscillators, then click on stochastic oscillators. Then you can see we have different period. You have to change this period to 1. Make sure everything is 1. Make sure everything is 1. You can see. Make sure you add 1 to everything. Make sure everything is 1. This place is 1. The key period should be 1. The D period should be 1. The slowing period should be 1. Then the price field should be low and high. Method should be simple. Then on this color, if you're having white color on your chart, use white color. And for this place, if you're having white color on your chart, use white color. But if you're having black color, the color of the chart is black background. Okay, use black. Use black for this color. So my color, the background color of my chart is white. That is why I have to use white for you. This. Then we have the levels. We have the level 20 and the level 80. The description should be translation oversold. And the next one is overbought. I'm sorry, I read overnight. This is overbought level. Yeah. Then the style, the color should be black. this star should be 3 pixel. Go back and you click on done. You can see this. I have this on my chart now. This is called the indicator window 1. This. So now, so click on this indicator window 1 here. Click on it, then you click on this place, then you add into the moving average. The first moving average you're gonna be adding. You have to change this period to 300 to 0. The method is linear weight. Okay, apply to close, apply to apply to weighted close. Please apply to weighted close. No, the last one I gave you, the apply is close, but this one is apply to weighted close. Please do not forget. Please do not make any mistake. The star should be, color should be gold. Color should be gold. The color should be gold. Then pixel should be 3 pixel. Then it has no level. Then you click on down. You can see you're having the gold moving average on your indicator window 1 now. So now let's go to the last indicator on this window. Alright, the last indicator is still the moving average. The moving average we have in here is the period is 100 now. That is the second moving average on your indicator in window 1. Then still method is linear weight. Then apply to previous indicators data. Please do not forget the second moving average on your indicator window 1 is previous indicator data. That is the apply to. Alright, so change the color to black. Then the star is the 3 pixel. Then you click on done. Alright, you can see this now. Alright, so that is the setup for the strategy. Alright, if you like this strategy, please give review on the strategy, comment on the comment section, and like this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I still your boy Kidurz. Okay, alright, I remain myself. This strategy works perfectly for the boom, the crash, the boom 1000, the boom 500, the crash 1000, and the crash 500. I believe someone can see this. I call this 95%. If you can see this, there's somewhere here where you're buying entry here. Then from this place to this place, you're gonna catch this whole price. That is how the strategy works. That is how the strategy works. Let me take crash. Okay, take another entry. You have to make sure you're okay. No entry. You can see this. You just have to be very patient while using the strategy, okay? Because it is a strategy, okay? Man, there's no any 100% strategy anywhere, okay? Do what the strategy I'm gonna upload now. I'm still gonna work on the strategy of 99% full premium crash, okay? But I just wanna give you this to just use this, dilute it, digest this, use it on your demo account. Alright, I'm gonna end this video now. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.